Good afternoon.
The link and
அனுப்பிட்டேன். அதுல இருந்து வந்தேன்.
Are you all able to hear me? Please, all of you mute your audio and video. I have muted all audio. When I ask you, you can switch on your video if you are doing along with me later. Thank you, Ranjan. Let's start the session. Good afternoon, all. Thanks for coming on time. See, actually, this project, I'm very excited actually because just like that, I started doing this. I wanted to use the empty bottle. So usually we were using all that acrylic bottles and all. So I just thought I wanted to try this, and it turned to be a very good one. So I thought, why not I share to all you people also. So I started. That's why I have proposed this program. I think yeah. See, this is the one I made. You must have all seen in the groups. I liked it very much, so I thought I will share it with you the procedure. And as you all the crafters, you should have got some guesses like how I did this, but maybe some of the tips you can pick up in this session. So most of you, the main thing for this is molded clay. So most of you will be, just a minute. Yeah, most of you would have known about this usage of molded and all. Okay. So right now we will start the project. I'll turn the camera towards my work table. So I'm having my mobile beside me, so that I can see your chat also. Okay, this is right. Okay. Yeah. First, you need to prepare the bottle. You have to take an empty bottle along with its cap. Somebody told me that they don't have the cap, it is broken. Then it's okay. We can do it with the molded. We can rectify that. Okay. Initially, we need to prepare the bottle first. For that, we need this thread for that hanging. See, this thread you can use, and like these ones. This we used to use for the blouses and all, back rope, as a back rope for the blouse. This one, any decorative thread which are thicker, you can use it. Okay. So what you are going to do is take out that extra cap, that top cap, have this intact, then cut this one along with this rim. This portion, let this portion be there. So you have to cut it. This hole has to be big enough for the thread to insert. We have to insert the thread through that hole. So it will be easy only to cut it. So it is big enough to insert the thread. So take the thread as long as you want. You have to put a bead on the other side. Something bead, or sorry. Like this, you have to tie it. That should be small enough to insert inside the bottle. Okay. Now on the other end, you have to insert it from the inside of the bottle cap. Take it out. I mean, you don't even have to insert it inside the bottle. That it should not come out of this hole. So that should be big. That bead should be big enough. Tighten it and then bring it to the top and then close this cap. So first thing you have to do this. Okay. So next one is Sajita. Are you there, Sajita madam? Can you give me a
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, Sajita, please a request from me. Whenever I'm showing the product, could you please take me the screenshot?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Please type in the chat, ma, because I'm not hearing it properly. My headphone, I'm having some electrical sound. Sajita, reply me in the chat. Sorry, participants, it is because since it is a mandatory for us to picture to be sent, I had to wait. Sajita? Sajita, are you there? Okay, ma. Sajita, please take the snapshots whenever I'm showing the product. Yeah. Please take this one. Okay. Yeah, the main product is that we are going to use this. So most of you will know about this product. There is a hardener and there's a resin in this. So you are going to first, initially you take only half of it. Don't mix the full thing. So when it start drying, it is very, you need to hurry up doing this thing. I would advise a small tip from my side is better you work with two bottles so that whenever the clay remains from this bottle can be utilized on the other bottle. Okay, because the full bottle we will not be able to work. I'll show you the how it is. It is. So exactly equal portions you take it. Just a minute, I'll take the powder. So have some talcum powder, spread it in your hands. Both of this, you have to mix it like this. It should totally become white. When the session ends, please join with the same group link. So now it has become white. So what you have to do is always do it, work on the, see if there is any dent in the bottle, please see if some air is not there means the bottle will be like this. So what you do is blow some air, open it, blow some air and make the bottle right in the shape and then close it. So that the bottle have the smooth surface, okay? Now what you have to do is start pressing it. See, you can mix the whole clay and I was trying that. That's why I'm telling you. I was trying to cover the whole of the bottle with one packet of clay mixed together. But what happened is when I'm working on this, this is getting damaged. This side is getting damaged and I was working on this and that side was getting damaged because it's not getting dried. So always my fingerprints are on the side of that side. So that's why I'm telling you work with the two bottles so that any remaining clay can be used for the other bottles one side. So that will be drying. In the meantime, you can do this bottle. See, if you don't have this 3D cone liner, you can use this size of this glitter bottle also. See, it all depends. Like it's all your creativity only. Just I'm telling you the technique or the procedure. You can use any bottle, even a bigger size bottle you can use, but maybe you have to take care while glass bottles and all, you have to take care to use it as a hanging. It should, the rope should be strong enough for that. And the printout accordingly, that size you have to take. These all this faces, I took it from the Pinterest only. So you can search for your preferable faces also. I have given different sizes in the PDF. So according to the size of the bottle, you can choose the face. And mostly it will suit this bottle and this glitter liner bottle also. Smoothen it with powder. See this sides and all, make it equal so that when you are working on this side, you can attach it correctly, exactly. If it is in a zigzag manner, later it will be difficult to smoothen when you are working on the other side. So smoothen it like this and bring the clay in the shape of the bottle. See, very thin layer is enough because I tried to do just on the bottle itself and do the clay work alone on that. But what happens is if a bottle get damages or any dents, then our work will go waste. So that's why I'm giving a layer of this clay all over the bottle. So like this, you can cover it. So we can have a crown for the god. So that's why the idea emerged for me. Actually, it showed me like this is a face of the god and this is the crown, and really that crown tip like that I imagined, and I started doing this. When you become a crafter, you will be not looking at the things the way it is. You will have your own perspective of looking at it. It will look differently for you. Everybody will be looking at that as a bottle, and you will be looking at a different thing, that what you can end up doing. Like this, you have to smoothen it. So this much everybody can do, I think. Is there any doubt for you? Not in the center. Okay. Sajita, if you don't mind, if there is any serious doubts like this camera angle and everything, please switch on your speaker so that I'll know that you want to do something, and I'll check the chat. Is this okay? Mm.
I think you should zoom out a little. It is too much inside, like, it is too near. Zoom out your camera a bit. Move your camera outside.
Just a minute. I'm seeing in my. Is this okay now? If I keep working here?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay,
Position
ma'am.
is perfect now.
Okay. I try to be just in this spot. Okay. So this much you won't have any doubt, I think. Okay, I have already done this on another bottle. I have made it dry. See, even then there is some things are there like this, but this will be, we will be covering with clay when we are doing crown, earrings, necklace, all those things. So I will tell you two methods here. One will be like a decoupage method. Okay, and the other one is tracing and drawing it. And the other one is your freehand drawing. See, I'll tell you how to do this one also.
Wow.
Are you able to see?
Superb,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you all the steps how I did this. First, I'll say tell you the basic things to do, and then I'll tell you. See, these are all your creativity, like ornamentation and all is your creativity. Okay, since I have placed Shiva in this, I would like to use this face for the other side. See, you can make like Shiva and Vishnu, or Shiva and Parvati, like that. So what you have to do is, you must have seen the PDF. If you are not having the printout right now in your hand, we are going to just cut the face alone. See, actually, I tried, just take it as a tips only. I tried doing a freehand only initially. But what happened, I was not satisfied with the result of the, say, I have just kept it because I can correct it, but I have kept it as it is just to show you the difference. See, the lips and all could have been better in mine. See, it is completely a freehand one. I have given a 3D effect for the nose and bindi, and this eyebrows I have done with the 3D black liner. But we can do it. I want to share that also with you. So it is your choice how you are going to do it. See this face only, even you can just cut the face alone also. Even this is not needed. See, we are going to make a decoupage kind of thing here. So this is the Mod Podge I am using. Sajita, take this photograph. Is it too near? Should I push back the camera?
Yes, ma'am, take.
Pardon me? Can you give it in the chat, please? See, crown, it's your choice, actually, Priya. See, if you want to have the crown, you can have it for a guidance because we are going to work clay work on that over the head. Okay, in 10 minutes, the meeting will get over. I will rejoin. So all of you, please rejoin in the same link. So actually, I want only the face. Only the face, because it's difficult to draw in this small section unless we are very much experienced. Okay, this here I didn't try any shading and all. I have just given yellow paint and done all this figures and made a 3D effect for nose and a bindi and for the eyebrows. And I faced very difficult to draw in the small space. So that's why I was thinking all over the night what to do to make it better. So I thought this decoupage method will be better. So you can just have this alone, face alone. No need of this crown, hair and all. For your guidance, you can have it. Because on that, you will be working with the clay. So now apply the Mod Podge on this surface. Apply it liberally, no problem. See, when this should be as small as, because if it is very big means while sticking, you will get some wrinkles there. So without wrinkles, you try to stick it. So that much you have to cut the face. So don't do this, stick it and peeling it off. That will damage the paper. So exactly you paste it. If you are getting wrinkles, try to cut that portion. See, I'm getting wrinkles here, so I'm going to cut it here. With a soft cloth, try to push it. See that you don't get any wrinkles. That's why as small as it should, that flat surface you have to get. That much printout cutting is enough. This is just to avoid the painting of the face. So after that, see there are wrinkles here. See, if you later do it, that will damage the paper. But I don't mind this because anyway, I'll be giving black there. So uniformly, you give the application of Mod Podge over this. So let it dry for some time. So next thing I have is, see, try to keep it safe. See, when you move it here and there, and you will get all these impressions till it is dried. You keep it safe. Until this, do you have any doubt? So now I'm taking the black and white printout. Just I don't want to waste the color printout, that's it. So it is your choice. You can use the color printout also, because I'm just going to trace this face. So till it is getting dried, we will move on to the next. So take a small piece of carbon. Don't use it fully. See, already I have kept this dried one. Kept this 2-3 bottles I have prepared. So with that, first, before working on it, the second method is this one. Place the face according to the, see that leave some space for the neck in the down part here, the bottle ends where I'm folding it. So I have cut only the face. So I'm giving little space here for the neck so that we can decorate with the garlands. So keep it like this and trace the eyebrows, eyes, eyeball, eyebrows, eyes, eyeball. This is for people who want to make their own painting, okay? But you cannot draw freehand. And it is also a little bit difficult to do a freehand drawing on the small space. So you have to do it little, see, don't mind about the mess here, because we need only the trace. So make it little stronger, make the impression little more stronger so that you get the trace properly. If you want, you can paste it with a cellophane so that you don't lose the position. And then mainly you have to have the outline of the face. With pencil, you will get a more thicker impression. So it will be very light only actually with the carbon. If you have black carbon, you can use that also. So make a very good impression. So you have this. Now, you take your burnt sienna or orange color. See to that it is in the center also. Okay, properly it is placed in the center. I little bit doubted, but later I'll correct that. So with a thin brush, with orange or burnt sienna, make these outlines.
Ma'am, please show the burnt sienna.
Can you type in the chat, please? Somebody is talking. Can you type in the chat because I am not hearing it properly? Because I don't know if I take out my speaker, it will be okay with my laptop microphone because external sounds will be there for all of you.